Imagine waking up to miles of trails, green space outside your home, and a luxury home that still keeps you minutes from Uptown Charlotte. If this is your first time on the channel and you want to know everything about living in Charlotte, North Carolina, and the surrounding suburbs, then subscribe below so you can be the first to know about the current market in Charlotte, North Carolina. So my name is August Mayer, and I've lived here since 2015, and I moved from New York City. I love helping people make their move to Charlotte, North Carolina, and whether that is 9 days or 90 days, feel free to reach out to me. All of our contact information is in the description below, or you can scan this QR code and we'll be happy to help you make a smooth move to Charlotte, North Carolina. This is the River District, one of Charlotte's most thoughtfully designed master plan communities. It's built around a lifestyle first, so it's nature, wellness, and space. And today I'm taking you inside a luxury TollBrother model home featuring the Yadkin floor plan. If you're relocating to Charlotte or looking for new construction that feels intentional, private, and long-term, this is a community you'll want to experience. The Yadkin floor plan features 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, 2185 plus or minus in square footage, 2-car garage, and 3 stories. The Yadkin home design offers thoughtful living space across 3 levels, so you're going to step inside a welcoming foyer that offers access to a versatile flex room and a full half bathroom. The second floor open concept design seamlessly connects the great room, a casual dining area, and an L-shaped kitchen with a walk-in pantry and an island. So just steps from a gorgeous balcony or a secondary bedroom and a full bath. Upstairs, the primary bedroom offers a private retreat with dual walk-in closets and a spa-like bathroom, featuring a dual sink vanity, a relaxing shower, and a private water closet. A secondary bedroom offers its own desirable private bathroom and a closet. Additional highlights include the laundry space on the bedroom level and a rooftop terrace for outdoor relaxation. To view the rooftop terrace, click on this link and it'll take you to the Pam Lico floor plan that has the rooftop terrace associated with it. And if you are interested in all things new construction homes, please get access to my new construction website. Go to www.augustmayer.com/new homes, or you can scan this QR code. So thank you for watching my videos. I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to comment on this house. Let me know if you like the Yadkin floor plan or the Pam Lico floor plan, with or without a rooftop. Let me know below, and I'll see you on the next video.